Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on demand, and we are out. Crew just leaving right now. We're out doing some inspection repairs for a client that sold his house up in Town Lake, up in Woodstock, and trying to get a contractor to do everything, especially for real estate agents and inspection repairs. It's really hard to do. Everybody's a specialist now, but we do it all. And so, if you look at the earlier video, one of the things that they were concerned about was right here. You can see we're at the door, the rear deck door, and if you look closely, that inside jamb, and you go back to the earlier video, you can see where it was pieced in with a smaller piece, like an inch above, and then it rotted up the inside of the jamb again. And now you can see, it's hard to see the angle cut in this light, but they pieced in the frame on the left and right sides. It's good as new. It'll never rot again. Comes with a lifetime warranty, so if there's any issues, we'll come back and deal with it for them. They had a couple windows right here. Here's one of them. Some of the paint on the window is not from us, it's previous stuff, but it was actually, yeah, this one. This window right here was rotted at the bottom. You see it's all been repaired and pieced in. This nose got repainted just because it was peeling. It had nothing to do with our job. And then this window right here, we actually routed out the rotted wood and put it back good as new. Everything's looking good over here. So that's one of the things that Handy Andy does, is we do a ton of inspection repairs. We do everything. We do anything from hand painting exteriors, rotted wood, trim, decks. We build decks like this routinely. We do all kind of roof repairs, kitchens and bathrooms, a lot of updating. Pretty much anything on a house, we do it. You can reach us at 770-912-2829. My brother and I have been running this company for almost 30 years now. So just be patient getting to us. Sometimes you get to me personally a little bit faster, 770-265-9017. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.